Hey, good afternoon, everybody. First, I want to thank everybody for all these great orders we've been getting for building these engines. I appreciate each and every one. I'm ecstatic to build your engine. I'm glad you put your trust in me because I enjoy building them, and I think I do a fantastic job at doing them also. This happens to be one of our Chevy 383 450 versions. This one is painted yellow with some yellow wires. Got the Edelbrock heads on here, the Holley carburetor, black distributor, all dialed in, makes about 452 horsepower. But the good thing is, it's going to a Corvette, got a lower intake manifold to fit in our Corvettes, and it makes about 500 foot-pounds of torque. This gentleman is going to love this engine. Again, one reason why you do want a custom build, you can build them the way you want, and they're going to be fitting in the car. Again, if this Corvette had a different intake on it, it would probably be too tall. We make sure we build these engines that they're going to fit in the car and run appropriately to what you're looking for. So again, thank you everybody for putting your trust into my hands. I appreciate it. Peace. All right, Stuart, I got your 1980 Chevy Corvette engine here. Happens to be one of our Chevy 383s. Gonna fire it up for you.